Alright, so I was on the way to the bookstore. I found a garage sale and I decided to stop by, and I found this adorable sweater, and I also found this necklace, and it's just really pretty and cute in my style. And I noticed that it has like a little, I don't know if the camera will focus, but right here, the crown point, it has like a little hook. I guess a charm used to probably hang off of it. And I don't know if you guys have seen, but I have this rooster pearl that I just adore. I wear it every day. But the cord, it keeps breaking, and I keep trying to like fix it, but it just keeps breaking. So I've just been kind of thinking like, I wish I could find like a necklace piece to fit it on. So I was thinking I'll try to hang it off here, and I think it will look really pretty, or so I'm hoping, but we'll work on that later. But I just want to show you guys what I got on my little pit stop. I literally spent $1. One singular dollar. She's like, does $1 sound good to you? And I was like, yeah. Like, what am I gonna say? Like, no.
You'll not only save 10 to 40% off almost everything in our store, but you'll also receive free shipping on millions of items online. We've got books, music.
Alright, you guys, I just got home and I'm so excited to show you my haul. Alright, I want to show you guys what I got from the bookstore. I went to Books A Million. They had a huge sale going on. I have been wanting to read the Crave series by Tracy Wolff for a while now. It was recommended to me. Almost finished with the books for my last bookstore trip, so I figured it was time. They had all the hardcovers except for two. More than 50% off. So this is usually a $20 book, and it is $7.97. The second one is Crush. The third and fourth ones in the series, that's the one that they didn't have. I think they were like sold out. But I got Cherish. I believe this is the last one. I think it goes Charm and then Cherish. Yeah, this one is Charm. And of course, every time I go to the bookstore, sorry, there's planes flying around. I love getting the Unicorno Tokidoki blind boxes. I've never really been much of a blind box fan, like other than Calico Critters, but I don't know why, I'm just literally obsessed with them. I got the squishy edition that they just came out with. Like, it's literally like one of those little like desk squishies, and then inside is the collectible. And it's so funny because last time I was at the bookstore, like, I saw these and I was like, these are so cute and cool, and so silly I didn't freaking read it and see that the figure is inside. But I'm really excited to open these. I also got this one. And I literally have like Books A Million rewards. Like, I have so many coupons to use, like good coupons, like $20 off of a $50 purchase, like things like that. I also just have like the Books A Million like club card because obviously I buy so many books. Good deal. It's all fixed. So I picked out all the charms that I'm going to use for my personal charm, and I think I'm going to use this one and put it on my bag, and then that way it can hold all of my cute little favorite things instead of just one keychain charm. So this is the final product. I'm really happy with how it came out. It's super cute, and I'm gonna wear it on one of my bags. I'm definitely gonna make more variations of these with the other calico critters I have, and I'm gonna list them on my shop. So this is the tote bag that I've been using lately. It's just really nice because I can throw all my books and journals and things in there. But I think that this is the bag that I'm gonna put my little charm on. I think that will look really cute. I definitely want to make more custom ones, so if you guys are interested, definitely let me know. I'm thinking about making a art shop and just kind of listing prints and stickers of my art. So I'm off to the bookstore. It's actually pretty warm out here in Florida right now. There's a little bit of a breeze, but I'm pretty cozy in this. And of course, I'm taking my bag with my new little charm on it. So I just like erase my pencil marks as I go along with my drawing. And I think I'm gonna start next with her little fairy wings.